minority matchmaking, a new Jeep Liberty, and press on the press. Those are among the 5 significant stories this week under the Pentastar.
It's my very distinct pleasure to introduce the star of the show today, the 2008 Jeep Liberty.
Workers at the Toledo North Assembly Plant in Ohio celebrated production of the all-new 2008 Jeep Liberty. The 08 Liberty features the all-new industry-exclusive Sky Slider full open roof for a have fun out there open-air experience. In attendance were several Chrysler executives and local dignitaries to commemorate the latest launch of the popular sport utility vehicle. Over 200 minority-owned businesses were in attendance as Chrysler proudly hosted its 8th annual Matchmaker event in the Chrysler Technology Center. The annual gathering has generated more than $1.3 billion in new business opportunities since its inception 8 years ago, as suppliers and buyers get matched up in an open forum to compete for valuable company contracts. Newly appointed Chrysler President and Vice Chairman Jim Press was interviewed September 21st on Detroit radio station WJR by morning host Paul W. Smith. When asked about joining the Chrysler team, Press said,
"It's great to be on this team. The timing is perfect. The organization is capable. They've got everything situated. They need some good, fresh direction and some consistent thoughts and observations, and I can bring those. And we're here because of the 85,000 people and the 4 generations of workers. This is an investment in not just a company, but in the industry for America."
You can view completely new comments from Jim Press in his recent interview on the Voices of Chrysler blog. In other media news, Chrysler unveiled a new series of advertisements for the all-new 2008 Town and Country minivans. The spots highlight the impressive new features like the swivel-and-go seating and storage system, Sirius backseat TV, and the MyGig multimedia system. The family-focused ads will also feature the boy genius character Jimmy Neutron from the popular cartoon series. Finally, Chrysler CEO Bob Nardelli was the honorary Grand Marshal for the Dodge Dealers 400 NASCAR Nextel Cup Series race at Dover International Speedway. A longtime NASCAR enthusiast, Nardelli presided over the event. For Under the Pentastar, I'm Bill Liberto.